It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. You should expect to see a doubling of the Shiba Inu pricing tonight, quite large. SHIB updates. Shiba Inu and the introduction of Shibarium are just two examples of the many new coins and tokens that are contributing to the growing popularity and acceptance of cryptocurrencies. An upcoming Ethereum-based Layer 2 blockchain network specifically for Shibarium is called Shibarium. The meme coin Shiba Inu will become an ecosystem in and of itself as a result. The price of Shiba Inus is going to quadruple tonight, as we'll discuss in this video. Quite large. Shiba updates. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. Now, let's get the video started. With its meteoric rise to meme coin status, Shiba Inu is now one of the 20 largest cryptocurrencies by market valuation. The people behind SHIB have kept up a consistent rate of progress throughout their many projects. Notable milestones and benchmarks have been achieved by the SHIB ecosystem. One of the latest landmarks was Binance's announcement on April 18 that Shiba Inu will no longer be housed in the innovation zone. An announcement recently revealed that the biggest cryptocurrency exchange will be removing Shiba Inu and several other tokens from the innovation zone on April 18. These tokens include Fracshare, Trust Wallet Token, 1inch, and others. In its release, Binance stated that the innovation zone was created to provide a secure environment for users to trade revolutionary projects. We expect some of these projects to have demonstrated their value and reach our high standards over time. According to Binance, the exchange has chosen to remove SHIB and the other tokens from the innovation zone after thorough evaluations. After Binance reviewed SHIB based on many variables, it reached this milestone. To put the network through its paces, someone wrote a script to generate millions of wallets. With the number of hosted wallets on PuppyNet, the beta version of Shibarium network continuing to grow, many are wondering what may be causing this unexpected increase. It has come to light that in order to stress test the network, a script was created to create millions of wallets. Someone on the team working on the Shiba Inu NFT project ShipPixelPups recently tweeted about it. The person admitted to writing the software that created more than 9.5 million PuppyNet wallets and processed more than 3 million transactions on the beta network. Further disclosure, the team member was also responsible for creating around 1,620 tokens on the test network. According to data collected by PuppyScan, the official block explorer for PuppyNet, the network currently has 13.3 million wallet addresses and has processed more than 3.47 million transactions. You may remember that just 2 days ago, the number of wallets jumped above 5 million, an increase of 86%. This extraordinary surge was set in motion by this screenplay. Prior to launching on the mainnet, the test network will allow interested parties to run a number of tests on the network to ensure its efficacy and reliability. Everything you see on the testnet, including tokens and transactions, is for show and is not real, as Satoshi Kusama, the Shiba Inu lead, has stressed time and time again. Building a script to create millions of testnet wallets is an admirable endeavor, as it can help assess the blockchain's efficiency and scalability. Also, it can be useful for finding errors or issues that may crop up while you're working. In order to determine the network's dependability, stress testing is essential. According to the script's authors, they wanted to test how well the network handled heavy traffic scenarios like airdrops and games. They also said that they did tests to evaluate the network's transaction time, resiliency, and other characteristics, as well as an airdrop script. There are currently no known issues. The SHIB burning in March have been really magnificent. There were 540 transactions involving 6.78 billion SHIB tokens in March. There was a marked uptick from the prior months in terms of both the total amount of SHIB destroyed and the volume of transactions. Since October 2022, when 9.05 billion SHIB were burned in March's burn was the highest. More than 34.92 million Shiba Inu were burned in 3 transactions yesterday, with 25.31 million SHIB coming from a single wallet, according to the SHIB burn tracker. Coinbase 10, a wallet affiliated with Coinbase, sent 2531397 SHIB to the burn address in a single transaction, making it the largest transaction. Compared to the previous day's overall burn rate of 2.93 million SHIB, this transaction increased it by 1,108%. The futures market also shows signs of an increasing trend. There has been a rise in open interest, OI, for Shiba Inu since the start of March. Investors' active positions in contracts serve as the metric. The amount of open futures has surpassed 2.4 trillion shib, or around $26,780,000 according to data from CoinGlass. As recently as 1 month ago, OI was hovering around $18 million. Traders' increasing fascination with SHIB is reflected in the rise in open interest. At the beginning of February, when the SHIB price reached its annual high of $0.00, the OI was $47,300,000. The Shiba Inu price was $0.00 as of the time of writing. The SHIB price is presently following a continuation pattern that has been covered on News BTC, an ascending triangle. As of today's price drop to 0.00000000164, SHIB has hit a new all-time low. Hence, the upward trend is still valid. By April's end, we may have seen the last call on whether bulls or bears would win out. Investors are starting to take notice of Shiba Inu's recently. Following a steady increase that began a month ago, its futures open interest, OI, has lately surged to 2.4 trillion tokens, or $27,510,000. There has been a recent uptick in activity which could lead to a price increase. The sum of all futures contracts that have not been settled or closed out by an offsetting trade is called futures open interest. It basically stands for the total amount of contracts that market players still have open and are actively holding. An exponential growth in an asset's open interest indicates that traders are positioning themselves for potential price fluctuations, and a large influx of new capital is entering the market. From a low of $18,050,000, the open interest in Shiba Inus has climbed by more than 52%, according to data from the futures trading intelligence platform CoinGlass. Noticed on March 13th, all the way up to the present value of $27,510,000 in SHIB tokens, which is $2,400,000,000,000. The open interest chart shows that there is a relationship between the price action of SHIB and its open interest, since the asset's price often goes up when its OI goes up. With the addition of $47,300,000 on February 5th, OI reached $3,200,000,000,000. Tokens. Along with this, the price of SHIB soared to its highest point this year, 0.000001527 USD on that particular day. But after February 5th, both the asset's price and SHIB's OI began to fall. The open interest has been experiencing a resurgence in value after falling to a low on March 13th. The asset's price, according to investors, will rise in tandem. Binance trade volume has also shown renewed interest in SHIB. The volume of Shiba Inu on Binance has been rising daily for the last 4 days after falling to 1.58 trillion SHIB on April 8th. As of right now, the volume is 2.44 trillion tokens. While it is in the midst of a protracted consolidation period, SHIB is attempting to break out of an ascending triangle, despite its current underperformance. At its current price of $0.00, the asset has lost 0.97% of its value in the last 24 hours. But gained 0.8% in the last hour. The $0.00 high from February could be within reach if SHIB manages to break out of the triangle. An uptick in demand could help it achieve its objectives, and recent patterns indicate that the asset has grown popular among market participants. Reveal that in every